Hi everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at how Tailride integrates with Odoo Accounting. So if you handle your accounting tasks via Odoo, this feature is exactly for you. Okay, so currently I am at my Tailride dashboard and naturally you're going to have to log in first. I am already logged in. Let's see how we set up the integration first. We go to Integrations tab, scroll down to Odoo, and we click Add Account. Okay, now we need to input the data from our Odoo account, and let me just briefly switch to my tab. Yes, we need to input the Odoo URL, which is basically your address here, your personalized address. In my case, it's tailride1.odoo.com, so I'm going to paste this here. Next up is the database, and to view our database, I'm going to access my databases, and as you can see, I have one database, it's tailride1, so I'm going to be typing this in here as well. Next up is login, which is our email. That's just basically the email that you use to register for Odoo, and in my case, it's pavel@tailride.so, so we are going to be pasting that here as well. Now, moving on to the API key. There is a brief guide here to give you a hint of how to get it, but I'm going to show you anyway. We generate it in our Odoo profile, so we basically go into My Preferences as seen here. We go to Security, and then we need to add API key as seen here. It asks us for our password. Let me just briefly put it in. And there we go. Now we need to set up the key for Tailride. First of all, we need to name our key, and we are going to be naming it Tailride. And then we have to specify a duration for the key's validity. In this case, it just makes sense to put in a persistent key just so you don't have to set up the integration again once the key is no longer valid. So we press Generate Key, and we have this key generated for us right here. We copy this key and put it into our API key field. As you can see, that's our key. Now we press Test Connection. Yes, it says that everything is okay, everything is connected. Now we just click Save, and that's basically it. Our integration is set up. Now we go into our accounting in Odoo and see if we can send some invoices over. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to be sending some of our crisp invoices, and there are a few ways you can do that. You can just go into Actions, the three dots near the invoice you want to share, and just click Send to Odoo, or you can select actually all of them on the page, or just group them if you need to send in bulk, and using the More Actions button at the bottom of our screen, we can send all of them, 4 of them in this case, to Odoo. Okay, in this window, we can specify certain details of our export. We can choose the purchase journal that we need to export to. We can choose our expense account, and we can set up the tax that we need to use for this. Click Send, and that's basically it. They should arrive in our dashboard in just a few moments. So we go into our vendors and bills, and there we see them. That's all of them right here. They are all uploaded as drafts, so we can click on each and every one of them. We can view the invoice. We can specify any information that we need. We can view and edit everything. All of the line items are imported here, and when it's all checked and confirmed, we just click Confirm. Go back to our bills, and we see it as a posted bill. And that's basically it. That's just how it works. Tailride takes all the info from the line items in your invoices and sends it over to your Odoo accounting workspace. Fast and reliable, which means you can spend less time on manual stuff and more time on what actually matters. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.